In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a brochure template in HoneyBook, step by step 2026. First, open your web browser and head to honeybook.com. Any modern browser works, but using an up-to-date version helps everything load smoothly. Once you're on the site, sign into your HoneyBook account. If HoneyBook asks for security verification, like a code or a device confirmation, go ahead and complete that. It's normal and helps keep your workspace secure. After you log in, you'll land on your dashboard. Think of this as your home base. From here you can see high-level activity, but for templates, we'll move into a different area. Look to the left side of your screen. That vertical panel is your main navigation. You'll use it often, so it's helpful to get familiar with it. In that left sidebar, click Files. This takes you to the space where HoneyBook organizes your documents and templates. Next, choose All Files. This shows everything in one place and makes it easy to access the tools we need for templates. Now we're heading to File Templates. At the top right of the screen, click File Templates. This opens up your template tools. From there, select Template Gallery. The gallery gives you pre-built options that you can use as a starting point. To find a brochure quickly, use the search bar and type Brochures, or select the Brochures category from the filter options on the left. If the search returns a lot of results, narrowing by category is a helpful way to see only brochure designs. Browse the options and pick a template that aligns with your brand's tone and layout preferences, whether that's clean and minimal or bold and image forward. When you find one you like, click Edit this template. This opens the template in the editor so you can review its sections and see how the content is structured. If you're not ready to edit right away and just want to keep it handy, you can click Quick Save to add it to your recent template files and come back later. That's the entire workflow. Go to honeybook.com, log in, navigate from your dashboard to Files, open all files, head to File Templates at the top right, enter the template gallery, search or filter for brochures, and then select and open a template by choosing Edit this template. With the template open, you're set up to tailor it when you're ready. This approach keeps everything organized and ensures you always start from a professional, consistent design.